Why oi? Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. And yeah, it's a review today. You get me, another review. We are in Jamaica and we are at Burger King. Yeah, I've never actually tried Burger King before in Jamaica, so we're gonna try it out. You know what I'm saying? Why oi? Officially, officially Benji. Only in Jamaica. Yeah, so far, not that much different in the menu. They've got this American chicken sandwich that I'm gonna try. Yeah, there's not much difference in the menu. You get me? So let's see if there's any difference in the food. You get me? Officially. Yeah, man. We're there, Jamaica. We're in Burger King. Wayo. Not sure if we've got this. Yeah, got that. Yeah. As you can see, the American chicken. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try Whopper as well. You know me. Yeah. Burger King. Alright, here's the double Whopper with cheese. See what I want. Yeah. Very fresh. Tastes pretty much the same, to be fair, but a bit more fresher, if anything, and cooked quite well. Yeah, the Whopper, go on, man. More at that Whopper. Really enjoyed it. It's nice, yeah. It's not that much different flavour. It's just really good quality. You get me? If anything. So I did the fries. They're nice and thin. Proper French fries. There's the box come in. Yeah, alright. They're nice and crispy, salty. Proper like French fries. Yeah, they're proper like French fries. Yeah, not bad at all. But they are definitely different. Definitely different from the chicken Burger King in England. Alright, the American chicken sandwich. We've got some lettuce inside there, some cheese, some there we go. So it looks like a chicken steak kind of burger. Yeah. It's giving off like Cajun sort of vibes. Not spicy or nothing, but it's tasty. Man can definitely work with that. The chips are nice. I think the Whopper was the best thing to eat there. But yeah, really nice. Got some cookies as well. So we'll try them afterwards. And drinks. Yeah, why not? Not as much range of the drinks as in KFC. But They have Sprite, orange, grape, and Coke. So the Coke's just gonna taste the same anyway. And well, we'll try it. And orange. See what the orange is saying, because I won't even grape soda because of orange. So yeah, it's Burger King, Jamaica. It's cooked well. Yeah. We tried the Coke, you know what I'm saying? It's Coke. This chicken sandwich definitely tastes American. It's good, man. And one thing I realised is there was a sufficient amount of chips. You know, in England you get like 4 or 5 chips. Yeah, so you can't give Jamaican people small food, they might cost you. Remember me telling you that. Drink orange. It's just tango. Yeah. But yeah. I would say it's better. Overall, I'd say it's better than UK. You get a bit more food, a little bit more of a choice, and well done, well cooked. You get me? As you can see how it looks behind me, it doesn't look that much different. I didn't want to just push up the camera in people's faces, but they don't know, nobody can chat to me from time I record myself. If you want walking on my camera, you can walk in the camera. Why it's cooking vibe. So not much different things in here. We've got a cookie. Not like the KFC one that was branded. Let's try it. No. Not so. Tastes alright, but texture wise, it's that hard than that. To be honest, that's not a good look, Jamaica Burger King. That is rubbish. KFC, definitely win. Yeah, yeah, that's the review, Burger King. Yeah, so we're gonna see what this is saying compared to UK. So now, we're gonna go to UK and we're gonna have a Burger King there. And we're gonna see the difference. Why? Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Why? Yes, people. So, we're actually here in England. Yeah. So when I done the KFC, is Jamaica the best KFC in England? When I done that, I kind of pre-planned this episode, you know what I'm saying? So I thought, yeah, let me get some Burger King in England before we go to Jamaica, and so we can taste the difference between Jamaica and the UK Burger King, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is before I left for Jamaica. Well, it will be anyway. So yeah, man, we're gonna go Burger King in the UK, taste it and see the difference compared to Jamaica, or why. And hopefully, if I do my maths right, and hopefully I'll work this out correctly and everything goes in order, I should have dropped a music video last Sunday. Brand new music video, Live Life, filmed in Portmore. I should have dropped that Sunday just gone, so it should be out right now. So I'll put the link in the description. Check out the new music video filmed by Up and Coming Productions, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, don't worry yourself, people, we're still in Jamaica. This is a pre-film Burger King. Why? Bacon lover. For some reason, I don't think they're gonna have this in Jamaica. Yeah. So, before we get into the menu, I'm gonna be honest, I think it's the first time I'm gonna say it. England, I think you're beating Jamaica with the drinks. Yeah? We've got the machine here. And you can pick all the different flavour Fantas. Different Dr. Peppers, Sprites, different Coca-Colas. Gonna be honest, UK is beating Jamaica for the drinks. Nah, they got strawberry Dr. Pepper. Right, they got all sorts. They got strawberry Dr. Pepper, they got orange Coca-Cola. Aye. Well on there. Yo, gonna be honest, it's a lot better in the UK for the drinks. Wow. There's not a lot of difference in the menu, and there's not much options in the UK one. Okay, got a simple Whopper, fries, drinks. I'm sure Jamaica's not got that many drinks. You get me? So I think that UK is beating the drinks. I've got a strawberry Dr. Pepper. What I did find is these chicken fries. I don't think they've got them there. I might be mistaken, but yeah, chicken fries with this spicy mayo. So that's something a little bit different. So let's test it. Yeah, so the bun is a bit soggy. I mean, it's alright, but I mean, just the way it's been cooked, I think it's let it down quite a lot. I think if the burger, like the bun was a bit better and the burger was still just like sogging in it. Do you know what I mean? It's not great. It's not. I mean, the actual burger is a little bit better than that McDonald's and stuff like that, but it's got little flavours of the burger, but I think the way it's just been done and put together, it's slacking in this Burger King. It's not a good look. Fries. They're not bad actually. Yeah, they're nice and cooked quite well. Not soggy. Got a bit of a crisp to them. Not bad. So there's the chicken fries. Yeah. And there's the spicy mayo. Let's try it. Yeah. Chicken fry. Let's try it with that sauce. Pretty much tastes like a chicken nugget kind of thing. Try it with the spicy mayo. Quite nice with that actually. Yeah, not bad. I think the fries and chicken fries definitely better than the burger. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's try strawberry Dr. Pepper. It's a new one. That's good, you know. Proper taste of strawberry, and it still tastes like Dr. Pepper. Yeah, it's nice. So there we go. I'm not really sure how exactly the Jamaican one is gonna be like, so you can just make up your own mind between them. You know what I'm saying? Here, there wasn't really no cookies or anything like that for dessert, just your normal ice cream and stuff. And yeah, burger wasn't great. Chicken fries, yeah, not really any type of different type of sandwich, just your normal sort of Burger King, nothing special. Chicken fries are nice. Drinks were good. Good amount of choice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Burger King Jamaica and UK. And yeah man, I will see you lot in Jamaica again on Sunday. Yeah. So what we're gonna do? So I think we're gonna have a collaboration Sunday. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a collaboration on that Sunday there. Cook up some nice food in Jamaica. Yeah, man. I'm excited to leave for Jamaica, but you're already watching me in Jamaica. Bit confusing. But yeah, man. You don't know, people. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on Sunday, and big up section. See you next time. Bye bye. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi! It's the big up section, people. Yeah, man, big up yourself, everybody, each and every one of you. Yeah, I appreciate all of you, man. Trust me, without you, this lot wouldn't happen. It wouldn't make any sense me doing it in the first place. So big up everyone. You understand? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. No! Anyway, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Let me know which one looked better to you, whether it looked like the UK was better or Jamaica was better. You let me know what you think. If you've been to Burger King in Jamaica and you've been to Burger King in UK, let me know what you think and let me know your experience in the comment section. Get involved in the chat. You see me? Yeah, so this week, big up Howard and Jessica. Says, wow, so much natural beauty everywhere around every corner. Wow. Big up yourself, you two. You get me manners and respect every time. Trust me, they're referring to the picking coffee beans in the Blue Mountains where we saw the rainbow inside the waterfall. Absolutely amazing. If you ain't seen that episode, you need to go check that out. Trust me. Also, big up Cam C. Says, pure vibes, great video, bro. Love the waterfall. The water from that waterfall will clean the dirtiest hearts and remove the demons of Babylon. Blessings, liberty, unity, light, love, oneness. Yes, my bro, man, I tell us, a spiritual place that there, man. Yeah, man, need to clean up your heart, man. Clean up everything, brother. Joe, and he's referring to the same video, picking coffee beans in the Blue Mountains. If you ain't seen it, honestly, it's a good watch. Go and check that out. You get me? We're still in Jamaica. Yeah, we are not going back to England for a little while, people, so no worry yourself. Yeah, man. So I will see you in Sunday. I will see you on Sunday for another cook and vibe in Jamaica. Why?